Timing Weiye is located in the country's autonomous innovation demonstration area, China's Optical Valley, Wuhan. Adhering to the service principle of warmth, honesty, speed, and efficiency, the company has formed a strong R&D team devoting to the design of scientific and rational production development and processing processes. Wuhan Timing Weiye Technology Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise specializing in the research and development of flexible fabric cutting equipment. The main products are TMCC series of multi-layer automatic fabric cutting machine, single-layer automatic fabric cutting machine, spreading cutting machine, laser cutting machine, and other textile and garment equipment. The company has complete and scientific quality management system, leading the new trend of the industry. Time passes and the circumstances change. In the past 12 years, Timing Weiye, adhering to the principle of service of keeping in mind that customers are the gods, has developed from a software company of motion control system research into a production enterprise specially providing flexible fabric seam cutting system, which combines research, development, production, sales, and after-sales service as whole. In a firm pace, we have written a beautiful symphony in the trade of intelligent cutting. The timing team keeps going beyond constantly in the tide of development of the era, meeting the challenge of the market pioneering and innovating. Specializing in development and production of intelligent cutting equipment, the company, as the leading domestic intelligent cutting solution provider, has passed a new high-tech enterprise certification, ISO 9000 certification, SGS factory verification. It has independent import and export right. Its products meet the EU CE standards. With a number of CE certification, the company has a number of national proprietary technologies. Implementing the principle of quality first and credit first, the timing team continues to forge ahead and has produced TMCC computer fabric cutting machine, TMSC single-layer cutting machine, TMSP spreading machine, overlength printed fabric laser cutting machine, large-scale automatic edge tracking cutting machine, and other best-selling products of the country's first-class level. And its market covers more than a dozen countries such as China, Italy, Romania, Turkey, Czech Republic, Belgium, Spain, Ukraine, Uganda, South Africa, Costa Rica, Argentina, Vietnam, and Sri Lanka. Its products are used in textile and garments, automotive interior, home textile, soft furniture, luggage, plush toys, gloves, and other items. In the process of accelerating globalization, the flexible marketing model of timings that treats terminal clients and agents equally. Its 24-hour worry-free service system, its timely remote online support, and its professional one-to-one installation training service have given its customers a satisfactory experience. With its quality and service, the company has won universal praise of the customers at home and abroad. Great vision, a magnificent glamour. In the future, Timing Weiye will achieve the whole industry chain layout, deeply exploring the field of intelligent cutting and constantly forging ahead to the goal by the respect of science and become the leader in automatic fabric cutting industry toward the vast future of creating a better life with science and technology take off.